The aftermath of any type of home damage can be perplexing, and you may be wondering where to start. The first step after sustaining any home or business damage is to call a certified, reputable professional. Hasi Property Restoration has the experience, equipment, and manpower to restore your property quickly and efficiently. Our professional craftsmen are ready to help you recover from property damage. We can respond within 60 minutes to get you back to business as quickly as possible. In a tight economy, we understand your need to save costs whenever possible while getting the best restoration service for your money. Whether you need emergency water damage or top-to-bottom home cleanup following a broken pipe, our team is always ready. Call us today at 404-966-9076.